Hey, Abraham.
I did practice with him a couple of times.
Sweet.
Christopher, Michael. This is my riding buddy most of the time with Jin. Wow. A Korean friend, he couldn't make it. He's got birthday.
Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Oregon Motorcycle. We're out here today. It's July 5th. Sunday, day after Independence Day. So, hopefully you guys can hear me, because I've been having some major issues with my audio. And so it's been ruining some videos. I had more videos, but they just didn't come out. And but I just wanted to check in with you guys, and you know, I'm working on 2 videos right now from last weekend, all up in Washington, and I got a lot of footage, so I'm working on that stuff. But today I'm just hanging out in Portland. We're going for a little ride. We're doing Vernonia, probably Haag Lake. I'm out here with Marcos. Jen couldn't make it today, and I'm riding with 2 other riders here that I've never ridden with before. Looks like it's a Kawasaki maybe, and an older Gixxer. It's very clean, so we'll get into a look at that in a minute. But today we are just kind of on a leisurely ride for Sunday, and yeah. And like I said, I'm just kind of letting you guys know what's going on. You know, like I said, having issues with my audio. So I've torn my helmet apart like 3 or 4 or 5 different times trying to figure out what's going on. But basically I'm just getting like intermittent microphone. It's like sometimes it'll use the outside microphones, so it's all just wind noise. And then, like, you know, the other half of the time it's picking up the microphone inside the helmet. So anyways, like I said, hopefully this is recording. I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. I brought my other GoPro. I might put it on the back of Marco's bike, get some footage of me or something maybe. We'll see. We'll see.
Okay, you can turn that.
That's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Pretty good.
Hey, those are just chicks. Really? They are chicas.
phone connected.
All right, we're at the Haag Lake stop. We're gonna go hit. I'm gonna go do probably a couple laps around Haag Lake right now. So.
A lot of people gather there. I'm out here. I took a blast on Haag Lake. Yeah, this is a nice place. Yep.
All right, you too. Well, there you have it, folks. Another lap around Henry Haag Lake. It's always a little exciting. Oh boy. Well, hopefully you guys can hear me. We're gonna cruise some more roads on the way home. I know there's some more twisties and shit. And what's up, man?
Hey. We're waiting for a friend. Oh, okay. You guys are doing good, man.
Yeah.
You're almost dragging the pen.
I know, dude.
My toe hard. Yeah.
Jeez.
Dragging the boot. I'm like, oh shit. This is a nice bike.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.
What's your name? Connor. What's yours? Connor. I'm Marcos.
Michael.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Oh yeah?
Yeah. You guys have
My YouTube is Oregon Motorcycle. Yeah. Check it out.
You have some protection.
Yeah, I'll come ride with you guys. Where are you guys from?
He lives here on Haag. I live in Yale.
Okay, I'm from Oregon City.
Oh, okay.
More by Portland and stuff.
From home then?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I wish I was tall enough to have those bikes. Adventure bikes.
I'm only 5'8", but I can I don't know, these boots are kind of thick, but it's not too bad.
My friend has a 750 Suzuki, and his tires are from 2001. But it's been the stories, man.
I'll hit you up on YouTube, dude.
Yeah, that. All right, take care. Another ride sometime.
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good.
And that's how that goes. We'll check out his YouTube. Those guys are quick, man. They're freaking dragging his toes on the corners through there. Golly. Alright. So I was trying to do an outro. I don't know, if you guys can hear me or not, hopefully. Get my fingers kind of. So, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. And you guys are still hanging out with me and you guys are still enjoying the video and everything, do me a favor, hit that like button, the thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button to help me out. I'm trying to hit 3,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and we're well on our way to doing that, so that'll be cool. So until next time, folks, Oregon Motorcycle.
Okay.
Until next time.
Yeah, I'm going straight to Costco and fill up there.
All right.
It's cheaper. All right, take care.
You gonna ride Thursday?
Hopefully.
Okay.
Depends where I'm working.
Okay.
Yeah. I
Well,
think I'm gonna be in bank.
good. How about you? Thanks, you too.